Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, October 28, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at this market, we have a wild one on our hands. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by $2.50, but we probably have the biggest day of earnings last night and a pretty busy morning with earnings as well. So we're going to go over the earnings stocks, and we'll look at them. We'll see if there's some levels in play, and we have lots of them. First one we're going to start off the day with is going to be Google, and we're going to use the GOGL, Google L symbol, and you're going to see the stock is trading at $827, closed at $817.35 last night. So good little uptick for Google. Nothing dramatic. We'll see where it goes. We'll see how it plays out, but there's nothing really to do here. So let's sit tight. Again, I don't think there's all that much upside, maybe 4 or 5 points. But on the downside, if we break certain levels, then there could be significant selling. But again, right now, Google's holding up fine. It's trading somewhat in a range on its daily chart. So again, we'll keep it on the radar, but not a lot to do. But they did report earnings, and we'll be looking at that once the opening bell rings. Now, Amazon's a whole different story. AMZN, they reported earnings last night. The stock is getting hit. Closed at $818.36, now trading at $773. Well, make it $774 now. But you could see this stock has been all over the map. Had a real significant decline. We'll see where it goes today. Again, I don't care about the story. I don't care if they lost money, made money, what their earnings per share was. All we care about is the market's reaction and can we trade it at some point in the day. So I will have some Amazon levels posted in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. We will look to play Amazon a little bit later today. Next up, we're going to take a look at Cirrus Logic. This is catching a pretty good bid. I believe this is a new all-time high. But either way, it's close to it if it's not. And there's not a lot to do. Stock right now is trading at 55 and a quarter. Closed at 51.79. Now, I happen to think this is overbought on every metric. So be a little bit careful here. I don't think there's a whole lot of upside. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do anything. You can't really short it until we get a short signal. So sit tight. We'll be looking at Cirrus Logic today. Baker Hughes with a big move today. It looks like they're doing something with GE, General Electric. Right now, you're going to see the stock is trading at $58.60, closed at $54.55. Now, yesterday it had a huge pop, but that has come back down to reality. Again, we'll see where this one goes. I'm going to try to have some gap levels for this. Right off the bat, I think 61 could be some resistance, and then there'll be a higher level after that. But I'll have levels for you in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. Next up, we're going to take a look at MasterCard. MasterCard's having a good day. Stock right now is trading at 105.15, closed at 103.60. I believe this is a new all-time high. I don't expect MasterCard to trade much above 106. So I think we got a little bit of a ceiling there. And you can see even in the pre-market, it did get up to that level. So again, don't expect MasterCard to trade above 106. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do a thing here. ExxonMobil, stock is getting hit a little bit today. Closed at $86.92, now trading at $85.70. So it's not a big decline by any means. I am seeing a little bit of support around $83.40. And then I have some gap levels for Exxon around 81 would be very, very good support as well. So we'll keep that on the radar. We'll see where it goes. Budweiser or Anheuser-Busch AmBev is trading lower today, I believe. Yes, 118, closed at 121.46. I have levels for this in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Chevron, CVX. I believe they came out with earnings as well. Stock is trading at $100.10, closed at $99.92. So it's upticked a little bit, but you can see it's faded from its morning highs. Not much I would do here. If this reverses, this could come down to around 98.75, 98.85. That is where I am seeing a little bit of support. And by some chance, it would really sold off today. I love 92 and a half, 92 and a quarter. But I'm not sure we'll see that. Let's take a look at Baidu, a huge Chinese ADR. Probably one of the biggest in the country. Stock is trading at 180.46. Closed at 175.10. So this is a good pop for Baidu. Good strong move. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. There's not a lot to do on this stock. at the moment. So we'll let it play itself out a little bit here, but that is a solid move for Baidu. Let's take a look at MCK. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading at 133.50, closed at 160.50. So this is a major haircut. I'm going to try to have some levels for MCK up on the board this morning in a few minutes in the intraday stock chat room. So if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing in there, and we're going to have lots of gap plays today. Next up, we're going to take a look at Goodyear Tire. I believe I have gap levels for this as well. So again, Goodyear trading at 28.66. Stock closed at 31.08. That's a pretty good little haircut. See if it could come lower. If it comes lower, we do have some gap plays available. So again, keep that on the radar today. Goodyear Tire will be in play. We have a lot of other names. I will be doing gaps really throughout the morning. So again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing there. And again, lots of plays already on the board before the market even opens today. Switching gears here, gold is trading down $5.20. Crude oil trading down 48 cents to $49.24 a barrel. So again, gold is down, oil is down. Not down all that much, but they are both down. And again, if you take a look at this market, it's been a great trading environment. So we'll see what today gives us. We'll see what we get. We had a great trading week. We're going to look to keep that going today. And again, lots of gap plays in the intraday stock chat room. Sometimes you get hit 2 or 3 gap plays. You're done for the day. And you can be done usually in the first 30 to 40 minutes of the session. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see what it's all about. You get to see our desktops live. Get the trade right alongside of us. Great program. And again, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.